Now the question we have on the board is exercise question 2.24. Based on solute-solvent interactions, arrange the following in order of increasing solubility in N-octane and explain. Compounds are cyclohexane, KCl, CH3OH and CH3CN. So let's talk about solubility. When the type of interaction acting between the solvent particles are similar to the type of interaction acting between the solute particles, then the tendency of solute particles coming into solution is more, otherwise it is less. This is the concept of like dissolve like. Here in the question we have solvent N-octane, which is a non-polar substance, and the type of interactions between the particles of N-octane is non-polar interactions like van der Waals forces. Here in cyclohexane, it is also a non-polar substance. So non-polar substance, the type of interaction will be van der Waals forces. So interactions are similar. The solubility will be more for cyclohexane. Next compound is KCl. KCl is ionic substance. In ionic substance, the type of interaction are electrostatic forces. So they are stronger than dipole interactions or non-polar interactions like van der Waals forces. So this will be less soluble. Next is CH3OH. The type of interaction here are dipole-dipole interaction, hydrogen bonding. So this can also be soluble in octane. Next is CH3CN. So here also the type of interaction are dipole-dipole interaction. This can also be soluble but less solubility. So the maximum solubility will be for cyclohexane, then for CH3CN, then for CH3OH and then for KCl. So we are going to arrange it in increasing order of solubility. So least soluble is KCl. I am writing here order of solubility. It will be increasing order of solubility. Increasing order of solubility in N-octane. So least soluble is KCl, then next is CH3OH, then next is CH3CN, and then next will be cyclohexane. For its explanation, we can write for solute particles to be or to get dissolved in a solvent the type of interparticle interactions must be similar. If there is difference in type of interactions, the solubility of substance falls rapidly. So this is the concept of like dissolve like. लाइक डिजॉल्व्स लाइक, इसका मतलब क्या होता है कि अगर इंटरेक्शन सेम है, सिमिलर हैं, एग्जैक्टली सेम ना हो, थोड़ा बहुत डिफरेंस हो तो भी सॉल्युबल हो सकता है, लेकिन अगर डिफरेंस ज़्यादा है, जैसे कि आयनिक इंटरेक्शन और वैन डर वाल फोर्सेस, ऐसे पार्टिकल्स, ऐसे सब्सटेंस कभी डिजॉल्व नहीं हो सकते। यहाँ पर हाईली डिफरेंस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी, जिसकी वजह से क्या है, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड्स स्टेब्लिश हो रखे हैं, और यहाँ पे नॉन पोलर इंटरेक्शन, वैन डर वाल फोर्सेस, दे आर वीक, तो सॉल्युबिलिटी लेस रहेगी। ये डाइपोल डाइपोल इंटरेक्शन का केस होता है, ये भी डाइपोल डाइपोल इंटरेक्शन का केस होता है, और ये वैन डर वाल फोर्सेस का केस। तो सॉल्युबिलिटी मैक्सिमम कब है, जब टाइप ऑफ इंटरेक्शन सेम है, जब टाइप ऑफ इंटरेक्शन डिफरेंट हो रहे हैं तो सॉल्युबिलिटी डिक्रीज हो रही है। सो दिस इज द एक्सप्लेनेशन टू द क्वेश्चन।